Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to round to 2 decimal places in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. So as you can see in this example, we have the same number here, but the formatting is different. So this has around 6 decimal places and this has 0 decimal places. So if you want to make sure that all numbers have 2 decimal places, what you have to do is select the cell or the number you want to change the decimal places on. And as you can see, we have this option in the toolbar here to decrease decimal places or increase decimal places. So in this case, what we have to do is decrease the decimal places here to 2. As you can see now, it's right. And in this example, we have to increase the decimal places. And of course, if you want to increase it to 4 decimal places, you can do that, or to 1, or whichever you prefer. And you can do this, of course, with a full column. Just make sure to select the column and then change the decimal places. But all in all, this is how to round to 2 decimal places in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database or our Google Sheets Shortcut Keys ebook for free and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists where you have a ton of tutorials, and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up, so also make sure to subscribe.